My husband and I just got done this beautiful garden path, and it was a lot of work. We put these paver stones down, and then we thought for a nice touch we would add this gravel in between. But the problem was that this stuff was getting kicked all around. We have 5 kids, so they're always running on this and just kicking it right up. So when people stop by, they're not only amazed that we did this ourselves, but that the pebbles do not move. Look at this. You can walk on this with bare feet, and no stones will get stuck to the bottom of your foot. Is it magic? No. But I'll let you in on my secret. After convincing my husband of digging up a path and then adding all the stone, the last step was to add this pea gravel in between all of these stones. Now, a lot of people had a lot of concern as to how I was going to keep all this stone in place. Because with 5 kids, this will absolutely be kicked around. And on our little terrace, I was worried that the table and chairs would dig into the stone and somebody may fall over. If you love sweeping up stone every day, then maybe you don't need this, but ground grip is the way to go. This is a glue made for mulch and rock. You just get yourself a sprayer, fill it up, pump it up, and then just get to spray. If you can color, you can do this. It will go from this bluish white color to clear in about 5 to 30 minutes. And like I said, because I have 5 kids and a bunch of deer in the neighborhood, I also need it for my mulch. So I just sprayed a little bit on the perimeter, and then in an hour, it was like this. It's water permeable to prevent pooling while allowing water and nutrients to reach the soil and the roots. It provides a long-lasting solution for everyday wear and recurring landscape issues like erosion. It dries beautifully, and I actually think it enhances the color of the stone. Now I have the garden path of my dreams that I know will withstand everyday wear. And when I go to sit down on this beautiful terrace, I know I won't be falling over. So if you have mulch or stone that you want to keep in place, grab yourself some ground grip.